Heidi ho, my peeps. I had a kind of a spur of the moment idea. I wanted to make some garlic sauce, some Lebanese garlic sauce. It's called Toum, I think, or Tom. I'm not sure. It's Toum is how you spell it, and it's supposed to be simple. I've never done it before, but I'm going to try it today. You take about a cup of garlic, peeled garlic, about a cup of. You're supposed to use a vegetable oil. I'm choosing to use olive oil. A lot of people don't because it flavors it, but I like the taste of olive oil and garlic together, so that's why I'm using it. And then they say about enough lemon juice that you would get out of about a medium-sized lemon, and I'm guessing that's going to be about half of this container full. So it's supposed to be simple. I saw this on a bunch of videos, and oh, you also use a little salt, which I've already put into my garlic. So what I'm going to do, let's see if I can do this without spilling it all over the dang place. There we go. All right. Okay, so what you're supposed to do, you're making an emulsion. So you are supposed to add your oil, which I'm going to pour in here. I'm going to pour in the hole in the top of my Vitamix when it comes time for that. And you're supposed to alternate between your lemon juice and your oil, and you're supposed to add your liquids slowly as you blend it. But first you have to pulse this up. So what I'm going to do is do that. Pulse it up a little bit. Oops. Okay. Let's leave this down until we've got. All right. Okay. And I'm doing all this in real time, one shot. Typical Cheryl video. All right, so I'm going to put this back down in there. Okay. Now let's see what happens. I guess that's as pulsed up as it needs to be. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to start with, let's see here. You're supposed to, I'm going to make this a little faster, like that. Maybe like that. Supposed to start with some oil. Like so. You're supposed to put a little bit of this in. Some more oil. A bit more of this. If I had a dripper, that would be perfect, but I don't, so I have to kind of do this sort of a little bit at a time. Alright, I'm going to stop this and take a peek at it and see what it's looking like. Oh, it's looking good. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera down. I'm going to finish adding my oil and my lemon juice, one right after the other. Finish getting this pulsed up and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay, so I let the ingredients, I pulsed them all up and then just put it on high, put my Vitamix on high, and just started to add, well, not all the ingredients. I started to add the oil slowly. The slower the better. I was afraid this was not going to emulsify, but as you can see, it looks like mayonnaise. It's exactly the way it's supposed to look. It's supposed to form stiff peaks. This could probably have been emulsified a little bit longer if I wanted a stiffer kind of sauce, but this is still perfect for spreading on sandwiches, or you could put it on eggs or rice or pretty much anything. Anything that you like to have a garlic flavor. If you don't like the taste of olive oil, certainly you could use a vegetable oil, you know, safflower oil or, you know, whatever. Some vegetable oil would work fine. That's what they normally say to use. But again, I'm weird. I love the taste of olive oil, so that I'll scrape the rest of that out after. But anyhow, so here you go. This is what it looks like. It's supposed to look exactly like that. I'm going to give it a little taste. Let's see. It's marvelous. Really, really good. Okay. It worked. Yay. Now I'm going to make myself a sandwich. Well, hey now. I figured I'd show you the sandwich that I'm making. I put the last sad little pieces of my Vlasic bread and butter pickle chips on there. I love that stuff. Now I'm going to add a few pieces, I guess 2 pieces is plenty, of the chicken breasts that I roasted last night. I've got some wonderful Dijon mustard. I'm gonna put that on top of my piece of bread here. I've scraped out the inside of my Vitamix, and that's what I put on this sandwich. And this stuff needs to be covered and put into the refrigerator. Last thing I'm going to add to my sandwich is a whole bunch, as much as I can make stay on it. Well, come here, you. Of spinach. So, yeah, I'm using the Dave's multi-grain, the 12 whole grain multi-seed bread. I'm trying to eat as little flour as possible, but I still like a sandwich. So I found this bread. I'm going to show it to you. Here we go. It's the Dave's organic bread. See, there's Dave up there. Picture of Dave. Yeah. And it's the organic bread, 21 whole grains and seeds. So I figure if I'm going to eat bread, I might as well eat something that's got some whole grain in it for me. So anyhow, that plus some peppermint tea is going to be lunch. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.